Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a Nissan Rogue 2018. We need to add a key. I always give advices for those newer cars. If you are going to add a key, just try to have original one. Aftermarket one, they work, but chances, the failure rate, some of them is, like you may be in trouble, or maybe if you don't do it right, you may lock the system also in some cars. Just be sure everything is okay and do it right. This is Rogue, as you see here. Beautiful car. I like it. And we are going to add that key using MI608. Also, the dealer tool can do it. There's a lot of different tools there. See which one you are okay with it to do your work. I'm gonna close the door. I will open my scanner. It was updating. Okay, the scan is updating itself. I'm trying to update the database. 90% now. Always, when you have time, check the updates. If you have updates, update it. Do not wait. You see here, I'm gonna go here, and you're gonna wait a little bit. Here are the two remotes. This is original. Door lock, unlock, trunk, proximity. Okay, so now you see here there is no update available. Okay, let me see something. Okay, you see here we have update, and you can check the update and see what it is for. It is not for the system itself, so you can go to diagnose. Yeah, they have a Mitsubishi service. Update basic functions, Outlander, update, diagnose. There is something here. I don't want to go to that now. I'm gonna go back home. I will go to IMO. Let's go now. I will accept. Here you have two choices. I'm gonna turn the ignition on first.
This was years ago. So there's more. He can fit more.
Let me turn this radio off. Now, let's go by VIN number. Auto detect. This car have Nissan. You see here, we have Renault, European, and Nissan also. They have the same functions. This is why if you see my tools, they turn the hazard light on. Where is the hazard light here? It's up here. And close the driver door. Once, say okay, to prevent the computer from sleeping. That when the ignition is not on. The way I'm doing it now, the ignition switch is on. %. This is the radio with the Bluetooth and navigation system, Nissan. Okay, now we have all the system here. You can go to IMO Smart System, or just go to IMO Scan, wherever you want. I guess gonna go to IMO Scan to be sure that it will give you option in the bottom. I use this all the time. Smart type. Number of the key register is only 1, and this is 20 digit. 20 digit authorization code. The computer will give you code, and you have to calculate that code. The dealer tool force you. The dealer tool, you must put input code and output code, 20 digit. But on this one here, no. It will bypass that. So if you go to all key lost or add a key, it's different. Maybe the same thing. But emo learning have more option, like you change some other stuff. I show you what I mean. You see here, like smart key learning also through here. ECM learning, PCM learning, ECSL learning. If you escape here, you go to all other key, guided. It's 3 step. Okay, all key lost, guided. Also 3 steps. So the same, you have to use either way. Okay, all key, because it's going to delete all the keys. I'm gonna take the key off. Ignition is off. I believe it start with the ignition off. Start it. I'm going to start with original key, and then put the brand new one, and then I'm gonna put the one that's for the car. So this is a new one. Start, and it say that it will erase all the key, and it take up to 4 keys. Turn the ignition off, turn the hazard on, open and close the driver door. I'm gonna open and close the driver door. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, say okay, place the back of the smart key against the ignition and press okay. Don't do nothing, just take this one here, put it just like this. Don't do nothing, just leave it like this, and then press okay. You say sometimes some BCM a great risk of shut down the immobilizer. Turn the ignition off and turn off the ignition and turn on the emergency flash. I did it. Yeah, he said did it. Success, success. Press start button once. Keep the logo side of the smart key. Cling to the start. Okay, you see like this. Push it with the remote, don't worry about it. And leave it. See now, you're gonna flash 5 times there on the left side. That's it. This one, the light indicate 5 times is okay. So I'm gonna click okay. Turn the ignition off again. See, turn the ignition off. I will turn it with the key itself. The key is off. Turn it on. Say okay. Program is success. Do you want to program next one? Say yes. Same thing. Take this one here. Same thing. Press once, keep the logo. The same thing. Okay, I'm gonna push it 1 time. Look here. 1 time, and logo must be there. 5 times blinking on the left side, and then click okay here. Then he said turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition off 1 time. Use the key to turn it with. Say okay. He said, do you want to program next one? I said no, I don't need it. Press the start button and attach the first learning key on the start stop button within 5 seconds, and the instrument will automatically light up. Okay, the same thing. Now I'm gonna do this way with it and leave the key there. Beautiful. I'm gonna say okay. Turn off ignition, wait for 3 seconds. I turn the ignition, the steering wheel registration complete. The message complete. That means everything is good. Here also say programming complete. Check if remote control is operating properly. Start the engine and wait for 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna push this door lock, unlock. I'm gonna lock it. Unlock. And the other one, which is already working before. This owner here, he brought me aftermarket key with no emblem, and I tell him, you see, you have 2018, get original one. I did not go into his car. I give him advice and I ordered the key for him. He drove away. He went, and the only thing I did is I test the frequency of the key that he has, which he have no frequency because the battery was dead. He went after 1 hour, called me, said the car doesn't start. What do you do for my key? I said, I don't even get into your car. I don't even take your key from your hand. I just tell you, go get original key. Finally, he found that his car battery was dead. So always try to be sure when you deal with those new cars, have original key. Thank you for watching Mobile and Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you with another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.